welcome back to my channel. It's me Shagusta and I know you all guys remember me. So I'm drinking hot water with nothing and I'll be sharing my day-to-day life updates. So it's like official announcement that from now onward I'll be sharing my day-to-day life. It's just like a vlog. So and I'll be chatting more with you all, and it's gonna be first official vlog. Yeah, before that I have already shared a lot videos like my daily vlog, my shooting vlog, but this gonna be my day-to-day things that I'm gonna share with you all, and it's going to be more fun cause I'm going to take you guys with me in my college life, in my personal life, like I'm gonna share everything. So welcome back to my life. So guys, today date is 26/11/2019. So and also I'll be sharing like mentioning the date also. And this is the today stories that I shared on Instagram. You guys can follow me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram handle, and I will be very happy. You can just reply me on my story that I'm from YouTube. So my YouTube fam and my from my TikTok fam, they are like and my Insta fam. No, not back. It's just like all like I'm just making the circle kind of thing. So and apart from that, I don't know. I'm feeling very energetic today, and I had my practical exam. It goes very well, like it's smooth, and the external was good. He was asking so many questions, but like I answered some of them, but it's fine. If you need some motivation, you can listen this guy, this Gary
The economy's collapse, everybody's going to go off of entrepreneurship and go back to a job, and I'm going to still love this thing when it's not as cool as it is today. You need to figure out that for you. Not what your parents think, not what I think, not what the comments think, you. When you look at me, try to figure out your version of you that makes you as happy as my version of me makes me.
So guys, you just follow him for your motivation, and apart from that, I just change my clothes, and here are the some I have to adjust in my cupboard, and I don't know how I'm gonna adjust these. And apart from that, I have to remove my makeup. Like I have applied mousse in the morning and the lip color that already gone. And do you seeing my Pinterest corner there? The everything. So now I'm removing makeup. It's like 9:33, so I'm thinking to shoot a makeup video. So like just removing my college makeup that I did in around 7:30, and like now I'm removing it so bad for my skin, and I'm like using coconut oil for this removing makeup. It's like very easy. Sometimes I use bioderma, but sometimes I use coconut oil for like moisturizing and everything. Okay, so I'm using this like this one reusable cotton hanky. So you can easily make it. It's like a DIY thing that I did a while ago on my channel, and I will be putting that link in the description box so you can easily watch it. And so nowadays I'm drinking hot water for glowing skin. So I'm about to shoot my makeup video. Yes, it's a ring light. You can see my eyes, and here my makeup thing. And let's see. So I'm done with this, and now I have to edit this vlog. So guys, I'm done for this vlog, and thank you for watching. And do like, share, subscribe, and do let me know what else you want to see in my vlogs. And bye. Good night.